Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look on the second video on the gold market again. So yesterday we said that the upward action in the gold market stands really heavy and doesn't look like the reversal, and also we have mentioned the situation on other dollar related assets in the dollar index on the forex market, and also the upward action looks not quite reliable, and since we have the major patterns on the higher time frames on the weekly chart that suggest another final leg down before major reversal could happen. This important word is a could, because the drop to the 1195 on the gold market doesn't promise the real upside reversal. So currently the market points on the possible leg down, but whether the reversal will happen here or not, it's really a big question. Anyway, some preliminary steps for a possible reversal and appearing of the reversal pattern exist. So previously we already have mentioned that probably we could get some we could get a hand shoulders pattern here. This could become left shoulder head is forming right now, and from the 1195 this could be the bottom of the head, and market really could turn up. Yesterday we also have talked about the reversal, that it's not really very important for us from which point it will start, because we're mostly watching for clear pattern. So if market will drop to the bottom of the head in 1195, that will be the first point to watch for. If market suddenly will start upward action right from here, well, in this case we will wait when the market will reach the neckline, and we'll try to take the position on the bottom of the right arm, which will be approximately the same area where market stands right now. From that standpoint, we're really indifferent in which point we will take the position. Currently, we're just watching what will happen. But in general, if you will take a look at the patterns that we already have in place and on the picture that we have on the intraday chart, it's more signs in advantage of the downward continuation, in favor of the downward continuation rather than the immediate upside reversal. So for example, on the daily chart we have two grabbers that's still valid, and they suggest taking out of these lows. Overall upward action looks heavy and too slow, so it's usually not the way how market reverses up. Also, if you take a look on the intraday charts, you will see, let's take a look what we have. As soon as market has completed the first target of the butterfly, fast bounce has happened, but since then market stands inside of the range of this white candle that we have. Take a look what's really is going on here. All the following price action stands inside of the range of this candle. It's no upward continuation. Here two grabbers have been formed, as you can see, and this suggests why market spike up and taken out of the stop. These targets of these grabbers have been achieved. At the same time, markets right now is forming the reversal candle, because this is in the intraday chart. So market take a look, create the new top and closing. It's not closed yet, but it's closing below the lows of the previous candle. Usually these reversal candles have the continuation, and usually it leads to the further downward continuation. Finally, here we could recognize the shape of the bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look, after the first jump up, trend has turned bullish, but price action is not. So by the MACD, trend stands bullish, but price action stands flat, and that gives the hint on the possible further downward continuation. That's why here we are keeping in mind the pattern that we have talked about it already. So recall this is our butterfly pattern. Sorry, I will just delete this indicator. This is our butterfly pattern that we already mentioned here, with the same extension as the big one. So take a look, that could become the left wing of the butterfly, that could become the right wing, if this reversal will lead to something bigger, not just to move slightly lower, but it could become the point where the market will continue to move down. approximately the same situation right now stands on the euro currency and on the dollar index, because both of these, let's call it currencies, dollar index, they are shown the signs of the possible continuation. On dollar index, its continuation should be up. On the euro currency, it should be down as well. So on the hourly chart, if you will go step by step with the market, you could see what has happened. So first bounce up on the important target that we have mentioned, 1205. ABCD retracement down, that was the XLP Gartner's triple to buy. After that, this is reaction on the Gartner's triple to action. Again, ABCD retracement after this leg, and upward continuation here. Actually, if you will close an eyes on this possible slightly lower bottom compared to this one, we have, by the market mechanics, we have Gartner's triple to sell. It's drop down, ABC action up, it's wash and rinse of these tops, and take a look how market failed to pass through the weekly pivot point. So it has challenged it 3 times, first one, second one, and third one, has failed here, shows the wash and rinse, ground the stops, above the stops, and collapsed. So this is also bearish sign, markets right now standing down. So my opinion here is the 2 main signs in favor of the bears, and currently I'm really not risking anything with taking any long position on the gold market, because chance on the further downward continuation really looks solid. So that's why I think that's better. Either try and take the short, maybe some scalp on the short-term trade, the downward continuation here, or if you would like to take the long position, it's better to wait one of the 2 things. First thing, as I said, is dropping to 11.95. Second thing, if you would like to take the position on the way to the 12.35, it's better to wait when the market will break this area to the upside. So you need to see that market will break this range of this candle to the upside. In this case, it's possible to take the long position with the first target 12.35, because here we'll get the neckline of our larger head and shoulders pattern. So that's the 2 possible way to act on the gold market right now. But as I said, my view is that the market looks too heavy to speak about reversal on some bullish sentiment or something of that sort. In the current circumstances, it seems that chance on downward continuation are better than for upward reversal.